I love making math enjoyable and as easy as possible. My goal with these math videos is to make them short, sweet, and lighthearted. So relax, believe in yourself. Let's go have some fun. Let's take a look at another absolute value inequality scenario. This one here would be the second part to this little segment. We're going to take a look at how to isolate the x, and it has to be done a special way when we're dealing with inequalities as well. So let's jump right in. We're going to rewrite this into two parts. Right now, I've noticed that everything is secured in the absolute value bars. There's nothing else that's on the outside of those bars that I can move around or simplify. So I'm ready to drop these bars off. I'm going to write two similar scenarios. So the first one is going to look identical to the original inequality. The second one, the x plus 4 doesn't change. The inequality symbol reverses, and my constant has to turn to a negative because those are the boundaries I'm looking at. I'm going to go ahead and solve by isolating my x. I happen to just do everything all at once since all of the work is the same. It's just a habit I picked up when I was in high school, I think. So I'm going to simplify these. X is greater than or equal to -2. And this one here, x is less than or equal to -6. So now I have a bit of a range, but sometimes it's hard to interpret when you just look at it like this. So I love drawing a number line to give myself a visual representation. So let's do that here. So if this is, let's put my 0 here. No, I'm changing my mind right here in the middle. I'm going to put my 0 over here. And then I'm going to put my -2, and my -6 is going to go right here. Okay, as I go to graph this, I'm going to put my closed circle over my -2, and it says that it's greater than, so I'm going to send that over this direction. This one here says it's less than or equal to -6. And this is an or statement, it's looking like, because I know that my values, they're not overlapping each other. But those are the values that matter. The ones in between -6 and -2 are not going to be part of the answer. So I have to use an or statement here. So we tend to write them in order from least to greatest. So I would say x is less than or equal to -6, or x is greater than or equal to -2. And that would be my final result for this particular absolute value inequality. How was that? Short, sweet, lighthearted? Hopefully you made a connection with that math video. Hopefully you had a moment where you said, oh, that makes sense. Go check out my other videos and let your friends know too.